Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It is so pretty. Wow. Hello gorgeous, how are you guys doing today? If you're new to my channel, my name is Gloria, and if you're on, thank you guys for coming back. I love you guys so much. Well, today we have another exciting video. We're going to review a Starry light projector from Amazon. Yep, this bad boy right here. I've used it already, even though I've put it back into its packaging. I just wanted to show you guys how it comes like. But anyway, we are going to be reviewing this bad boy right here. As for my opinion, I've used it already and I love it. So I was seeing it around, like it was all over TikTok, all over like people's bedrooms, and I was like, whoa, I need to get it. So I checked on Amazon and it was affordable. So I was like, you know what, I need to get myself this bad boy so that I can switch up my room. So if you need to switch up your room, this video is not sponsored, but I would say try this thing out. So enough of the talking, let's just jump right into the video. So I'm going to remove this from the box. Oh my gosh. Woohoo! Yeah, this is how it looks like. It has this from this side, and it has this. It has these words over here. And then on this side it has these other words. Yeah, I think again this side it has this. I opened it already. This is how it comes like on the inside. You get to have this USB cable that connects. Oh my god, that connects. I'll be putting this by the side and you get to remove this. Then that's where you're going to find your remote. Okay, we'll get to this later on. And the magic starts from this one. This bad boy right here. And down, of course, there is that thing that protects it from falling down. It does come with a user manual, so you have to go through this on your own because the pages are quite many. But to me, when I buy something, what is always important is how to use the product that I've bought and the warnings. Yes, and it does come with an extra cable, which is a plus. We also have this side where you can find the description of the projector. Well, this is a remote. It has the on and off button over there. This is the on and off button for the music. This one, it lights up red. I'm going to be showing you. This lights up green and this lights up blue, white, as you can see. Basically, I do love the red one and the laser. Why? Because when you switch to the laser, the stars, they're not really like stars, but they do look like stars. They don't go off. This Starry light projector, it can go on for 4 hours and then it turns itself off. I think it comes with a self timer. Yeah. So this is what we have at the back. We have this that reduces the light and it increases the light. We have this side where you put the USB cable, and we have this. Since it has a built-in speaker, you can be able to forward, rewind the music and all that stuff. It uses Wi-Fi as well. Another cable, and then we have this on and off button. Yeah, basically this is how it looks like. We are going to use it and we see how the room changes up. Oh my god, everything looks so beautiful. This side is for the USB and this is where you connect it. Okay, so I'm going to connect this and then we're going to see how it lights up. So immediately when you put it on, this is how the ceiling will look like. First part, the stars come and then they disappear. Yeah, basically I positioned it on the bed. So we are going to keep switching up. Let's try the red. So that is the red. Wow, the red looks so beautiful, but you have to keep in mind that if you change the colors when there is a previous color, it won't be a solid color. It would be mixed with the previous color. That's why the red is mixed with the blue. So the lights are not still, so they come and they go, but still it looks so beautiful. These lines going through, they are my fairy lights, so don't mind them. But man, oh my god, this is so breathtaking. Wow, I love it. I live for it. Oh my gosh. The first one was the blue, so we are not going to go to the blue, we're going to go to the green. There is the green. So again, since the previous color was red, the green is mixed with the red. It's not a solid green. You can already set it to be a solid color, but I don't know why I didn't do it here. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of this combo. Yeah, but still, it looks beautiful. We are done with the green. We are going to go to the white one. Oh, that is the white one over there. That is how the white one looks like. Yeah, the stars come and go, so you just have to set them up for them to be still and not disappear. But yeah, that is it. I'm going to show you my favorite combo. Now this is my favorite combo. Let me first turn it off and turn it on. Okay. The blue. So when you put on the
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, that definitely just connects automatically. Then what I do always, like I put on the red and then I go to the laser, because the laser makes the stars. Now this is my favorite combo. Oh my god, I do put this on every single night. I mix the blue with the red so that it makes a little bit pinkish and purplish. The stars don't disappear. They're not really like stars, they look like dots, but they don't disappear. They're always still. So for me, it is my favorite. I don't know about you guys, but if you do have a Starry projector light, please let me know which one is your favorite combo. Maybe it could become my favorite as well, but I do live for this every single night. Lay down in my bed and look up the sky and be like, wow, this is so beautiful. It's magical. So here we do have the fade 1 and fade 2. This makes the lights go on and then they disappear. And here we have the timer. You can time it for 1 hour or 2 hours, or else you can always leave it to its automatic timer, because it always goes off after 4 hours anyway. So if you don't want to set it for an hour or two, you can always like leave it. But now let's go ahead and try the fade and see how it will look like. Basically what the fade one does, it changes up all the colors at once. But what I don't like about it, it makes a sound. I think you can pick that up. Yeah, but it's beautiful as well. Apart from the fact that it gives you that sound that I don't like. Wow. So let's switch to the fade 2 and see how it works like. So this is the fade 2. I actually don't see any difference between the fade 1 and fade 2. I don't know whether it's only me or you guys do see a difference. If you do, please let me know in the comments down below, but I don't. Yeah, it is good. I'm just not a fan, but it's good as well. We definitely need to use the S plus and S minus to see how they work like. Whoa, but I hate the sound. Yeah, let me switch off the light and show you guys. So that's what the S1 does. They kind of move. Yeah, they do kind of move. That's beautiful as well. Let's switch to the S minus and see. So we did it say S plus, so let's go to S minus. Basically what S minus does, they're still and they disappear, like they do fade away. Yeah, it's a combination of a fade and still. Yeah, it's a combination of the laser and a fade, yeah. That is the S minus. I love this thing. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. Since all of the colors that we've done have been a mixture of others, let's try out a solid red so that we can see how a solid color looks like on its own. To save time, we are only going to do one color. Now this is a solid red. Oh my god, it looks beautiful. It might not be my favorite, but it is beautiful as well. I just pressed the laser button so that the stars can be still, but oh my god, it is beautiful. Well, I decided to show you guys how it looks like with the lights on. It's not my favorite, so I don't always leave the light on if I'm going to use it. Yeah, but this is how it looks like. I don't want to go close to the light because it will ruin your eyes. So I am going to connect my phone to the Bluetooth speaker. Fun fact, I'm filming this video at 6 a.m. Yeah. So let's go to, yeah, I'm going to connect it to the Bluetooth. It's called the BK10.
Bluetooth connection.
Yeah, so let's go to YouTube and play non-copyrighted music. Non-copyrighted music. Non-copyrighted. No, non-copyrighted. Copyrighted music. Any. Ooh. Ding, 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 ding. Then you can as well increase it or decrease it. It is good actually. It is awesome. Yeah, so you get yourself a Starry light projector and it comes with a speaker. I mean, I love this bad boy so much. I love it. Oh my god, you guys should get this. It's not sponsored, but it's beautiful. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to smile. See you guys next time. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Adios. Bye.